All right, so here's my Homac toolbox. See, I used foam, and I got all the sockets arranged. I got metric in one drawer and standard in the other. I have screwdrivers all cut out in foam and placed in there so I can, when I put them back or something's missing, I have a couple vice grips, needle nose vice grips out of the box, so I know that what I'm looking for if it's not there. There's all my combination wrenches and some specialty wrenches up here. More sockets, special type of sockets. That one's getting rusty. I need to clean it. Extensions, punches, ratchets, more extensions, a couple smaller breaker bars, large punches, a couple crow's feet, uh, large wrench mirrors, the old style ratchet, hand ratchet. This tool is kind of handy, for pulling scrivets out, extension magnets, cutting old style brake tool for adjusting brakes. Uh, Magnet, uh, uh, mechanical fingers in there, coiled up my sprayers, more sockets, files, uh, micrometers. Get this. This is one of my latest additions. It's a spanner wrench. For removing cylinder caps for hydraulics. That came in pretty handy. My air gun, air ratchet, torque wrench, old style torque wrench, getting universal ball joints off my larger half inch. I need to get a 3/4 breaker bar too. Old style brakes, punch. Plumbing wrenches. This one here is kind of nice. It's great for backing up stuff. Plumbing, cutting copper tubing, cleaning copper tubing, that kind of stuff. My infrared temperature. This is for pulling fuel lines apart. This is for hooking up to your voltmeter when you have high voltage, and that way you don't ruin your voltmeter. Puller, air hose, old style, and printer, label printer, miscellaneous stuff. Over here, I got those ratchet wrenches that are reversible and have the angle to them. It's kind of nice. I'm missing a 10 millimeter. I think I left it in the truck and I drove it down the street and lost it. Whoops. How many people have done that before? Testers. Stuff for electrical. More stuff for electrical. Amp meter. My voltage. Multimeter. It's kind of hard to see. Little small stuff for bits, stuff like that, you know. This is kind of cool. This is for the old style clocks, winding clocks up. 2 different sizes. Antique clocks. I kept them. I still have a couple clocks, but I need to learn myself on, educate myself on how to tear one of those clocks apart and fix them. But anyway, the top part of the box is a mess right now, but you know, not everything's perfect. Anyway, so that's the toolbox.